The latest episode of Kartika Deepam 2 saw simmering tensions boil over as Karthik's concern for Deepa morphed into suspicion regarding her parentage. Dasu's words about Deepa being Sumitra's daughter continue to haunt him, leading him to delicately probe Deepa's past. While Ansuya desperately tries to suppress the truth, Karthik seems determined to unravel the tangled threads of their relationship, hinting at even more shocking revelations to come. Will Deepa finally learn her true identity? In the latest episode of Kartika Deepam 2, tension and drama reach a fever pitch as Karthik's care for Deepa clashes with the unfolding mystery of her birth secret. While tending to a recovering Deepa, Karthik's concern deepens into suspicion, fueled by Dasu's earlier words about Deepa being Sumitra's daughter. He gently questions Deepa about her parents, prompting her to recount her belief that Ambujawali and Kuber are her biological parents. Overhearing their conversation, Ansuya grows increasingly anxious, fearing the truth will devastate Deepa. She intervenes with a glass of milk, subtly diverting their conversation, but the seed of doubt has been planted. Karthik continues to grapple with the unsettling implications of the sage's prophecy and Dasu's claims. He cryptically tells Deepa that their relationship, filled with twists and turns, holds many secrets. He reveals his awareness of their evolving connection, from wife to lifesaver, to sister-in-law, and hints at even deeper revelations to come. Internally, he acknowledges Deepa as his aunt's daughter, strengthening his resolve to uncover the full truth. Meanwhile, Jyotsna and Parijatam arrive at Kasi's house, ostensibly to see Dasu. Their visit quickly devolves into a heated confrontation with Swapna and Kasi. Accusations fly, with Jyotsna blaming Parijatam for her unhappiness and Swapna criticizing Parijatam's abrasive behavior. The escalating argument draws Dasu out of the house, where he is shocked to see Jyotsna. Sensing an opportunity, Jyotsna shrewdly sends Parijatam away on a pretense. Alone with Dasu, she issues a chilling warning. Whether he has regained his memory or not, she threatens dire consequences if he reveals his true identity or interferes in her plans, hinting at a past act of violence against her father. Terrified by her threat, Dasu rushes to Karthik's house to warn him of Jyotsna's volatile state and the potential danger they face. He expresses concern about the agreement Karthik signed, questioning its contents and Jyotsna's motives. He fears the combined cunning of Jyotsna and Parijatam, warning Karthik that they are capable of manipulating destinies. As Dasu presses Karthik about the possibility of divorce stipulated in the agreement, Deepa witnesses their clandestine conversation, leaving viewer on a dramatic cliffhanger. The episode ends with lingering questions about the agreement's contents, the future of Karthik and Deepa's relationship, and the looming threat of Jyotsna's wrath. Dasu's warning leaves Karthik and Deepa in a precarious position. Jyotsna's vengeful intentions, coupled with Parijatam's scheming, threaten to shatter their fragile peace. Will Deepa's unwitting discovery ignite new turmoil? Is divorce truly on the horizon? Next week's episode promises high drama and heartbreaking revelations.